Okay, this is Penny Sue of Alpine Treasures. We are in Fairfield, Iowa at the Well thrift store. Let's see. Never been here. I've never been here. Didn't even know they had another thrift store at in Fairfield. We will check it out. I like the Well in Pella. So if it's anything like the Well in Pella, I might find something I really like. We'll see. We will see. There's a couple quilts. We'll see what the price are. They have some age to them. They do $12 and $16. I don't know if there was a 50% off sign. I'm assuming it was for like Christmas things and stuff. Oh, let's see. I'm seeing them. Oh my gosh. I just bought something, guys. It is going home with me. This is going home. This is going in my cart right this second. It's going in my cart now. It's a little pricey. There's a tad of a chip there, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I am excited, guys. Alright, let's keep looking. We're gonna really check this place. Oh my, oh, look. I'm finding kitsch, guys. I'm finding kitsch. I am finding kitsch. And look, it's a little anthropomorphic strawberry and a poodle. Oh my goodness. I am very excited. Let's see. I've always thought these were kind of... Look, Willie, I just knocked something down. You know why? Because they had it hanging there by a tack. It's a quilt hitter, or that you dust a quilt with. I'm setting it down. It should not be hanging anyway, so it's not my fault. What is that, Hall? Yep, it was Hall. I guessed it right. It was Hall. There's Limoges. It's a pretty Limoges. Let's see, I just saw some. Oh, I was looking at these. These are interesting to me. And look, this is a measuring cup, and then you also have your onion cutter connected to it. That one's kind of neat. I like the colors and the design on it. So they're wooden blocks. That's got some chipperoos on it. And I don't have a, ooh, aren't they cute? Fancy. And they work. What is this store? Berman and Anderson. Do not overwind, made in Japan. I love the look of them, but I have a hard time selling music boxes too. I don't know. People just don't. Look at that Mickey tray. And it's Walt Disney Productions. And it has the tray things, but I don't know if I could do anything with it at the price. But isn't that cute? There's some tins. Is it Sewing Susan in the early days? It does have some writing on it though, but I do like the picture if it was in better condition. Oh, I still like them. Let's see. I've had this Westmoreland, I believe. I've had it several. West Bend, yeah, West Bend. I've had it several times. There's an old time ice cream scoop. This is kind of neat that it has the cup with it, huh? Let's see. That was a staple in most kitchens in the 70s, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It needs touched up a little bit on the toes, but do they sell? I don't know. For that price, I might try him. I might give him a try. Why not? She's fell. I gotta help her because I love the girls that have the lace on them. I really do. Let's see. Look at the little bear house. Isn't that neat? It has little wooden furniture and little teddy bear, little bears. There's a Fisher-Price teapot. Oh, listen. Oh, and it gets louder as you push it. Look at the doll furniture, Willie. Looky here, and the porcelain, $12.98. That's nice doll furniture. That is nice doll furniture. Very nice. Hello, Mario. Oh boy. You know, the Bill Cosby albums aren't what you think they are if you've never listened to them. And if you know of the controversy of him later in his life, after the Cosbys and so forth, these albums are very adult, very nasty adult. Those are pretty, aren't they? 82. That is I'm not quite sure what it is actually. Is it a sewing machine? No, it's just an empty sewing box that used to have a sewing. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, I have found a new thrift shop to want to now it's $16.98. Look inside. Oh, isn't she cute? She comes with the doll and has the poodles on the outside. Now that's cute. That is cute. Here's a little West clock, still in the box. I remember these, and they fold shut like little compacts. Remember the compacts? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's pretty. Oh no, my battery's low, guys. It's not going to let me video very long because my battery's low. But anyways, you saw the cute things I got, and I will do a haul. So it's $8.28, but that is cute. Okay, if it shuts me off, I'm just going to shut off now, and because my battery's low. But anyway, you saw that I got this gorgeous Bluebird of Happiness. I got the frog, and I got the poodle, and I got the little anthropomorphic strawberry. I'm going to shut off, and then I will do a haul. So this is Penny Sue about Pen Treasures coming from Fairfield, Iowa at the Well. Bye-bye.